Hi, this is Resilient Ken Lau. In this video, I will share with you how to cleanse an aging report. Now, this is a typical aging report that you downloaded from a system, or it could be a payroll report. Now, what a typical finance account persons will do is that they will manually delete it, right? So say for example these are not needed, so they need to uh, remove it, right? So but first I want to duplicate this worksheet, and I highlight this here. So this is what normal persons will do, right? Most people will do this, only a few will do differently. So highlight this. So what they do is they highlight this and then the right click and choose delete. Okay, and after that you delete, right click and delete, and they scroll down here and look at this. Okay, then there is this one here, so they right click and delete, and then they look at this, right click and delete, and look at this here and right click and delete. Look at here, right click and delete. So over here and just right click and delete. Let's go here, right click and delete. Let's go down here, right click and delete. Let's go down somewhere here again, right click and delete. Scroll down here, right click and delete. Scroll down here, right click and delete. Let's go down here, right click and delete. Just go down here, right click and delete. And depends on how many pages they have, right? They just right click and delete. Then they discover a shortcut, right? They highlight everything here and then they press Control minus. Okay, that's we finished a few more, right? So then finally the rest here, they just no longer need to right click and delete, but still they use a shortcut Control minus. All right, that's done, right? The thing is that it's still right. If there's a longer the H report, the longer right click and delete, or even use the shortcuts. So is there a better way than that? The answer is yes, right? I have created a few pages, okay, and this is one. So these are the step, right? Now using this, right, you can do this cleansing data much faster. Now say for example like this, right, I converted to here, and then let me just delete this account, right? But the thing is that what I want to show you is that let's say here, right, now there is a resilient candle, and then let's just change it to resilient Lao, okay? And then here balance is, let's say, 888, okay? Now all I need is just right click and refresh, and look at that, this is AA and this is resilient Lao. So how do I do that? I share with you in this aging report, right, step by step. If you like a copy, please write me an email to excuse me, please write me an email to this one, sorry, not write an email, yeah, you can write an email to this one, to my email. My email can find in the link, in the LinkedIn, and what you write there is that you write down your name, your profession, and your email in your email. Yeah, so that's it. So if you want to do it faster, you don't want to do it that way, right click, I mean highlight this one, right click and delete. You do want to do that, then connect with me, and I'll give you this copy of Works right for free. Thank you.